Okay, so my fidget pack just came, so now I have lots of fidgets. Except they're small. Yeah. Okay, so which one should we review first? First, we have Wacky Track.
How you feel?
It's very... Shut up!
You sounded like Squidward!
Shut up! Shut up!
You sounded like Squidward!
Go eat your cheese puff. Gosh. Anyway, I really like the Wacky Track. I really like the Wacky Track. Next, we have this Poppet. Take. Okay, now we have a Wacky Track. I think it's very nice. Makes very nice sounds. Listen. Yes. Now, Puppet. See, it's kind of small for a square Poppet, but, you know, it's okay. Quiet side. And the loud side. Now, have the Elkie punchy rings. They feel very nice. Great. Now, a very tiny monkey noodle. I apologize for my camera quality. It's usually better, but my microphone has stopped working, so I'm resorting to my iPad. Here we are. Monkey noodle. Very tiny monkey noodle. Okay, I'm gonna move, yeah. Okay, next, I'm gonna move all of these here. A DNA ball. 0. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it so much. And it has a very chemical smell. Actually, everything here smells like chemicals. That's what happens when you buy fake fidgets. Now, pea popper. It doesn't feel like the real one. It feels a little softer, but I like it because of that. Boop. I'm gonna put it over here now. And I got 2 of them. And next, we have marble and mesh. Very nice. Marble and mesh. Yeah. I'm gonna move them over there. Next we have a Dimple. This is the quiet side, I think. It's very hard. Okay, now the loud side. The loud side's okay. Now we have our Dimple digits. Yes, I know it is very, very small. That's what happens when you buy fake fidgets. Okay, let's test it out. Shut up! This is the loud side. And this is the quiet side. I really like it. Anyway, follow for part 2, where this person right here rates my fidgets.
Yeah.
Have a good day.